Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer OAuth redirect URLs for Auth0 on a VPS change, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Select the application you want to update. Navigate to the Settings tab for that application. Locate the allowed callback URLs field. Copy the current redirect URL from this field. Log into your VPS and access your application files. Open the configuration file where your application's OAuth settings are defined. Replace the existing redirect URL with the new VPS address. Ensure to maintain the correct path structure after the domain. If applicable, update the allowed logout URLs and allowed web origins fields as well. Save the changes to your configuration file. Return to the Auth0 dashboard and paste the updated URLs back into the appropriate fields. Make sure you have included all necessary scopes and permissions. Click on Save Changes to apply the updates. Test the application to ensure the new redirect URL functions correctly. Debug any issues that arise during the testing phase. Confirm that authentication flows seamlessly to the new VPS address. Your OAuth redirect URLs are now successfully transferred to your new VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.